guys, welcome back. Today I'm filming in my living room instead of my bedroom because it is so hot in New York City. No matter what I do, my air conditioning can just not keep up. So it's just too hot to film in there, so I'm sitting on the floor in my living room. Hopefully the lighting is okay, and if my hair starts blowing, it's because there's a fan pointed directly at me right now so that we can get through this and hopefully I won't pass out from the heat. My friend Jillian got me a subscription, a beauty box subscription to Beauteque. I hope that's how you say it. This is the box. And my intention was to review the first box and then kind of try out the items and then review the second box, and I didn't do that. I don't know why. So I have the first two boxes and I've used some of the items, but I didn't use all because I was waiting to do this unboxing, and I don't know. We're just gonna go with it because it's so cute. The products have been amazing so far, and I just want to show you how they set everything up. I've really never done a monthly beauty box like this that's as impressive as this. I did the Sephora Play, which is fun, it's cute, everything is mini. These are full-size products and they're all really good. So all of these are Korean beauty products, which is amazing because I love Korean skincare, and some of them are not. Some of the products, actually everything is written in Korean, so you know, obviously that makes it a little difficult, but they include, and I opened this, so just so you can see I did like rip it apart. It includes this pamphlet with a description of each product. So if you do not read Korean, don't worry, because you can just read it. They call it the brunch menu, which is so cute. So this one was called But First Brunch. Super cute. And I'll just go through what each thing is and I'll tell you what I've tried so far, and maybe we can just open them up, and some of them smell so good. So the first item, and I'm not really going, I guess I should go in order, that would, you know, probably help out. So the first is the Perfect Repair Hair Treatment Serum, which I'm actually going to try today, and I'm really excited about this because I didn't have a hair serum, I didn't have one left, so this is perfect. It basically works like any other deep conditioning treatment, really easy to use. It's a huge bottle, and there's coconut oil and apricot, so let's just open it and smell it because now I'm getting really excited to use this later. So it smells really good. It's very thick and creamy. It looks like a conditioner. It's not an overpowering scent, but it just smells floral and sweet. Not too sweet though. So I'm very excited to try this. I'm going to use that tonight. And then the next thing is called Perfect Solution Serum, and this is a little bit creepy looking. I'm not going to lie, when I first opened this I was like a little creepy. But so it says, so each thing says why we love it, how to use it, and then if some of them have tips. So this one says, let your skin feast on this nourishing serum with a base of oriental herbs and white flower extracts. This serum will help your complexion glow. Great, what's bad about that? So let me just show you what this looks like so that you'll understand why I'm laughing. So it fully looks like a syringe. You can see the bubbles in there. It's a little bit creepy, right? So it says that you're supposed to, with the number one facing your hand, press gently on the injector and dispense about 1 milliliter of product into palms. So it's designed to be used about 5 times. Okay, that's pretty good value. So it's a serum. I'm going to try that out though. I mean, the packaging is definitely different. We'll see how that goes. Let's keep going. Then you get a mask. So what's great about this is you really get different products. You get a hair product, you get the serum. Now we're going to go on to the mask. Then there's a body lotion, a lip tint, and a makeup cleansing sponge. So there's really different items. There's really a nice variety of items. So this is the Cafe Latte mask. So this is T-Zone, Tightening T-Zone Essence. This is Boosting Lift Up U-Zone. And this just says Relaxing Mask, which is kind of funny considering it's Cafe Latte mask. It doesn't really sound relaxing, but I'm going to try it. The next item, which I've been using, and I love it, it smells so good, it's perfume body lotion, and it's apricot. And look how big, like this is, I don't know how many ounces, does it say? It doesn't say. So this is a huge, large full-size lotion. It smells so good. It smells like apricot. This is totally a type of scent that I love. I love citrusy scent. The next item also has really cute packaging. It's called Urban City Real Lip Tone Tint No. 5 Rosewood. Look how cute that is. Hopefully you can see. Oh, okay, so I totally missed that this is an apple. Somehow that was pretty stupid of me, but it's a little apple. So that's cute. It's kind of a cute little item to leave sitting out on your vanity also. And then the last item in this box, which is the one that I have been waiting to open because I didn't want to show like a dirty sponge on camera, but it's probably the thing I'm most excited to use, and I'll let you know how it goes. It's the My Honey Clean Sponge Cookie. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So it's one of those makeup remover sponges, which I'm so excited about. This says, this cookie puff will help build your appetite for brunch. It will remove makeup and dirt hidden within your pores without irritating your skin. Wet the puff with warm water and gently rub to remove makeup. Can be used with your favorite cleanser, but cleanser is not necessary. It says puff can be used up to 200 times. That's amazing. I'm the most excited about using this. I feel like I can never get my makeup off. I've tried so many different things. I just bought something from the Sephora sale. Maybe I'll use that with this. So all in all, I think this is an awesome package. I've already been using some of the items, like I said, and I can't wait to use the rest. This was one of the best birthday gifts I've ever received. It's so me. Thank you again to Jillian. And let's go on to the next box because that one has some amazing items as well. Okay, so that was the June box, and no, that was the July box, and this is the August box. Same boxings. Oh. This one, the theme is Kawaii Kit. So the August, it's really just how they do everything is so cute. So the first item here is the Fashiony Fruit Soothing Gel Watermelon. Again, a scent that I love. I really feel like this was made just for me. This light scented gel leaves your skin feeling cool and refreshed while hydrating dry spots. So at first I thought that this was a body wash, but then I reread this and I realized it's almost like aloe. So when you're out in the sun and your skin needs like a refreshing aloe gel, that's kind of what this is, and it smells so good. Again, it's not, all of the scents are very light and natural, so they're not unscented, but they're not overly heavily perfumed. So you could wear this and not feel like you're dripping in Bonnie Bell watermelon flavored stuff. Excited. Next item, okay, this is so cute. I feel like this might be the one I was most, although no, there's a lot. Okay, we'll keep going. This I just thought was super cute. I feel like everything, each one has, maybe the apple was the really cute one from the last one, and this time it's the banana. So this is Magic Food Banana Hand Milk. You guys, just look how cute this is. And it's a hand cream. Put some on my hands now. It smells like banana. But again, I mean, this scent might not be for everyone, but I really like it. So look, it's light. It's not sticky. It's actually super lovely and moisturizing for a very lightweight hand cream. So just like how cute is that to carry in your purse? It's just super adorable packaging, and it's called Magic Food Banana Hand Milk. I just love this. I'm going to just keep this in my purse. It's so cute. The next item, okay, so this was the one that was most different and interesting, and I really have to figure out exactly how to use it. So it's called Coin Tissue Blue or Pink. This is what the product, I don't know if you can see this. This is what the product looks like. So why we love it. This soft fabric feels great on skin and can be used to gently remove makeup. Again, anything that takes off the makeup that I love putting on is amazing. How to use, we wet the tissue with a few drops of water and gently unfold. So this is a great little travel item that it's so small, you could just throw this in your purse. It's easier than having makeup remover wipes. maybe if you're on a plane and you want to, if you're taking like a red eye, I know that's super specific, but this is something that I would carry actually, to just get on the plane, wash my face quickly with this, and not having all the things that you normally, where you don't have like a full-size bathroom, so you want to have a million products. I don't know, I'm really excited to try this, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. It's just so different. So let's see. The next item is a blush. It's just a regular, no tricks or anything, but a really pretty peachy blush. I feel like this color would really look good on anyone. Just a pretty soft peach. Cute. This was fun. So, and because this is like a summer box, it's a mermaid makeup brush. It kind of looks like the set that Tarte did, which I really wanted actually. So I was really excited when I opened it and saw this in here. It's super, super soft. I can always use another powder brush like this, especially one this cute, so I love that. And then the very last item is a mask. So both boxes came with a mask. Both boxes came with a body lotion or gel. Both came with a makeup removing item. Both came with a makeup item. So this one came with a blush, the other one came with the lip gloss. What did I forget? Okay, so the last one, this is so cool looking actually. Oh, it's so cute, I just realized. So this is Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moistures 3-Step Mask. So it's the pearl, like kind of mermaid, the theme goes together. That's really cute. And it just says this 3-step mask helps hydrate, brighten, and firm your skin. I'm gonna try this. So that's it, you guys. Those were the first 2 months that I got of the Beauty Box by Beauteque monthly. I really like it so far. Now I'm gonna dive in and use all the products now that I've shown them. I just didn't want everything to be a mess before I showed it to you guys. I'm going to continue this subscription once the gifts that I got are through. I'm going to keep it up because I've really been impressed by the products, the full-size products, and everything that they've included. It's really well-rounded, and yeah, and we're excited. If you guys have any recommendations for other beauty boxes you're enjoying, please let me know. I've seen some mixed reviews on some of them, but I always like to try new things out. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.